Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the S Pen ready and the camera active. First, make sure the S Pen is paired and has battery. The remote shutter uses Bluetooth, so pairing matters. Once done, open the camera app and pick photo or portrait mode. The app recognizes the S Pen when removed. Make sure the S Pen button responds. If it clicks, you're ready to take remote shots from a short distance without touching the phone. You now frame and focus before pressing the S Pen. Position the phone stable or on a tripod and compose using the rule of thirds. This reduces blur. Next, tap the screen to lock focus and exposure where you want it, because the S Pen button triggers the shutter but doesn't change focus by itself. Then press the S Pen button once for a single photo. Hold the button down if you want a burst series. This gives you options to pick the best frame. You're almost done. Review and save your shot. Tap the thumbnail to inspect focus and exposure, crop or adjust in the editor if needed, then share or back up the photo. If the S Pen doesn't trigger, make sure Bluetooth is on and the pen has charge. Repair it in settings and confirm camera remote is enabled. As a quick fix, restart the camera app or toggle Bluetooth. This solves most connection hiccups so you can capture the next shot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.